Hey everyone, Shervin's here. Today I want to talk about map function in Python. And let's say we have a list of numbers like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want to add 2 to each of them of item of this list. So we can say p2 as an empty list, and then we can write for I in numbers p2 dot append I plus 2, and in this way we get p2, as you can see, is each item of the list numbers plus 2. So let's call it first method, and here we go. So we can use a map function to do the exact same thing but a little bit better. What is map function? A map function takes a function and an iterable like a list, in this case numbers list, and implements that function to each item of that number. So we can use lambda here to say we have an input n, which is a number, and we want n plus 2 as output. So what this line does is that it takes a number from the list numbers and then add 2 to each one of them. But the problem here is, if we want to show this, let's call it p2 again, you can see that here this is not a list, this is a map object. We don't want map objects, so we can write list like this, and this will give us 3, 4, 5, 6 again. Let's call it second method, and we can see they are exactly the same result. And that's what we wanted to do with map function. Map function makes your code cleaner, and it's just one line, as you can see. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked my video, please subscribe and leave comment below. Thank you.